to fix if microphone icon is missing from Android keyboard. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open keyboard anywhere on your device. Simply open keyboard and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find settings on top of the keyboard. Simply click on that and you'll find settings pop up. Click on voice typing, which is below glide typing. Turn on use voice typing. Make sure you turn on faster voice typing as well. If you turn faster voice typing, it will download a faster, more accurate way to recognize your voice. Also, once downloaded, it's available offline. And that's how you turn on microphone icon on Android keyboard. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.